Greetings. Today we're going to be checking out the Tomight teeth whitening pen and see if it works at all. We have the 2-pack and let's see what we got in the box. So it comes with 2 dispensers. Tomight. Wrapped in plastic. So it's got a fluid on the inside there. Alright, so what you do is you actually keep turning this. And what it's going to do is it's going to push the solution for the teeth whitening until it gets to the edge. Look at this. It's going to push it out the tip. See right there. Push it out the tip. Like so. You paint it on the teeth. You let it sit. Wow, that actually works. So you can see the difference. These 4 that I did, you can see the difference between this tooth and the ones in the front. Wow, that works pretty good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the difference between these 2 here. That's pretty awesome. Works in like a minute. That's pretty cool. Save yourself going to the dentist and getting teeth whitening for a bunch of money.